Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. We have a problem on the board and we have to find the value for x. Okay, what we are going to do now, this is in log of base 10, log of base 10. Then here we have 1. What are we going to do? Let us represent it in a way that all of it will be in base 10. We know that one of the laws of logarithm is that if we have log a in base a is equal to 1. So what we are going to do, in order to represent this one here, we are going to say log 10 in base 10. So it will represent this one here. So we write it as log 10 in bracket 6x minus 4 minus log base 10 log of 10 in base 10, which will give us 1. Now you will agree with me that all are in base 10. Now in logarithm, when we have a situation as this, we can write it as, since all of this part are having the same base as base 10, we can write it as log, the base is 10, 6x minus 4 all over 2 equal to log 10 in base 10. At this point, we can cancel the logs because they are having the same base. So we are now having our equation as 6x minus 4 all over 2 equal to 10. At this point, if we multiply both sides by 2, we will have it as 6x minus 4 equal to 20. Okay, now we simply add 4 to both sides. If we add 4 to both sides, it will mean that we will now have 6x equal to 20 plus 4. So therefore, 6x is equal to 24. So to make x the subject formula, we divide both sides by 6. So if we divide both sides by 6, it simply means that x will be equal to 24 divided by 6. 6, if 6 goes into 24, I think it will give us 4. If 6 goes into 6, it will give us 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4. So therefore, our answer for x is 4. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page, Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Bye-bye.